When I engage with you as a person, I'm seeing you, I try to see you for who you are.
Mm-hmm.
But if I think of you as completing me, it's like you're a tick box that I put onto myself. Like you're
Mm.
an accessory that completes who I am. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm like using you.
Mm-hmm.
But if I engage with you truly as a person, I can never own or possess you. There will always be a live interaction that will be marked by joy, that will be marked by happiness, by sorrow. We will hurt each other, we will forgive each other, we will create memories together. So it's alive. For me, relate to you as a person.
Mm-hmm.
That relationship is active and open. It allows me to grow. Not open relationship na I can go with other, but
Yeah, yeah.
it's alive that it makes us both grow. Like we grow together,
Mm-hmm.
right? But if you complete me, the growth stops. Doon na yun eh.
Mm. But what about the thinking
Diba?
of that? Oh, I won't get married first. I'll just wait because someone better along might
Yeah,
come.
because it's the mindset nga of someone better. It's like I have an idea of what is better.
Mm-hmm.
So the moment if I trap myself in that exclusively, like this is okay, someone will come along who is better. The implication is that that person will fit into my life to make it a certain kind of life. Like, right? Like, so I'm kind of using that person to create a better, what I think is a better life.
Mm-hmm.